Dr. Wes Steed is mentoring Dr. Lindy Felsky. She's in Tabor for a one-year residency, learning both general and obstetrical surgery.
Dr. Steed is lovely to work with. He is very open to letting you, as a learner, be very hands-on.
After 33 years as a rural physician, Dr. Wes Steed, or Dr. Wes as most call him here, is transitioning into retirement. Dr. Felsky plans to take over for him in surgery this August.
If I have the best interests of my patients at heart, then someone's got to come after me to look after them.
Dr. West grew up in Lethbridge, went to medical school at the University of Alberta, practiced in Provost for a year, and then enjoyed a long career in Tabor. Dr. West is loved by his patients.
So we met Dr. Steed 33 years ago when my husband had a farm accident and shattered his hand 5 days before our wedding. We were told there was a new surgeon in town. It happened to be Dr. West, and he repaired Mark's hand, and to this day, Mark has full function of his hand. He goes above and beyond to ensure not just our family, but any family in our community is well taken care of.
Dr. West is well respected by his colleagues.
Dr. Steed is a phenomenal physician. He's very committed to rural healthcare and rural medicine. Last of the breed where we'll do home calls, we'll do surgery, we'll deliver babies, do C-sections, work in the emergency room, hospitalist, long-term care, clinic.
When I've needed help, he will come in, and not to take over, but to be that colleague in the room that's there to help with tasks delegated, to give input. But then he's also been a mentor as a person and as a friend, to be there in the smaller minutes.
Dr. West is known by his fellow healthcare teammates as the calm in the storm.
I definitely agree with that. There's been several situations where, like, kind of trauma situations in the emerge, for example, where he's come in very calm, and it's always great to have somebody with that demeanor in those situations.
It's a team environment, and the team works well when the temperature stays down, right? What do you think?
After 33 years, any regrets about coming to Tabor?
I would do it all over again.
What's your favorite procedure to perform?
I love delivering babies. It's been one of the highlights of my life.
What's your favorite gift from a patient?
So this is the most favorite gift I've got. So these are slippers knitted by a little old Yugoslavian lady, Nada. So I've got several pair of these, and they're awesome in the winter.
Dr. West is a strong supporter of his community.
On a quiet level that many of us aren't aware of, he's helped raise funds for the food bank, ensured that people have what they need. He is elevating the arts by being involved in the Star Theatre, and not only has he fundraised, he has done incredible amount of his own work there.
Renovation costs a lot of money, and so whenever we can save money by ripping something down or doing it ourselves, that's certainly the intent, and Wes Steed is always present.
My favorite part was the demolition part.
He also does international volunteer work as a surgeon with the Tango Foundation, Tabor Assisting Nations Through Global Outreach, an organization created by Dr. Torrey about 15 years ago.
I always come back grounded after being to Guatemala or rural Fiji or Kenya, thinking the things that I worry about here become less important all of a sudden.
Dr. Wes is a lover of the rural lifestyle. It's taco night at the Steeds. He and his wife Cynthia raised their family here, just outside Tabor. The kids have grown up and left, but one of his daughters is back with her boyfriend for a visit. Dr. Wes loves motorsports. ATVs, motorcycles, snowmobiles. There's nothing he likes better than going for a rip in the coulees next to the Old Man River. He owns a horse, but admits he's not a big fan of horses.
So I had a friend 20 years ago that wanted me. He thought I needed horses. I thought it'd be a good idea to have a horse. I got land, I'll have a horse. So he brought me a horse to try. So I went out riding. Next thing I knew, I was staring at the blue sky out on the road. I'd been thrown and knocked out.
We've probably all seen Dr. West with a bump or a scrape or worse in his adventures and misadventures.
And one day, it was like a snow day at school. It was very wintry and snowy, and I thought, okay, I'm gonna get to the office, I'm gonna take my skidoo. So I thought I'm gonna be the cool guy to, take his skidoo to work.
Just right here in front of the hospital, he rolled the snowmobile over over top of himself, was beat up pretty good.
And discovered a couple of days later I had like 3 to 4 fractured ribs from that little cool man incident.
That misadventure didn't stop him from becoming a Tabor superhero.
My family and I fondly refer to him as Super Wes. A nativity play that happened one year, and the sheep got loose. So there is a story about Dr. Wes somehow having a vehicle that you could ride beside the sheep and jumping off of it to tackle a sheep around town so it didn't get any further and cause any extra trouble.
Congratulations, Super Wes, for being selected as the 2026 RHPAP Rhapsody Physician Award recipient.
Congratulations, Dr. Steed, on receiving this award. You truly deserve it.
We're super grateful for all you've done for the Tabor community.
You've meant more to me than I can say. It's been my honor to work with you.